You see, elrufai na one man will be say anywhere where he enter, he wants to take charge, he wants to dominate. You know, so all these people with small body, then they always see themselves like saying them big Goliath. He want to dominate everybody. Now, when they were in APC, you know, he has always called himself a Buharist, that he's a Buhari boy. So in that sense, he has always seen himself like the de facto vice president when Buhari was in charge. And he wanted to use the opportunity to decimate other people, other political heads in the APC, such as Tinubu. Although so he never come out openly to tell us why he fell out with Jagaban. The only thing he told us was, me and Tinubu, we've never been in good terms. Tinubu they beef me I they beef Tinubu. Tinubu na this, Tinubu na that. In age no complete, in age one complete. I go tell you now today, waiting he really do Tinubu. Where they make Tinubu vex up until now. Where make Tinubu never still forgive him. If him don't forget, make we remind him. Watch.
There are 3 or 4 politicians in Kaduna that you cannot do anything unless you go and get them on your side. These are the godfathers of Kaduna politics. And you have to carry them along. And you know, the 3 words carry them along means pay them regularly. So when Abuja people say I'm not being carried along, don't think it's carrying them. It's cash. Regular infusions of cash. But, you know, we chose a different path. And the long and short of it now is that after this election, in 2019, we retired all of them. Wow.
Congratulations.
Yeah. You know, let me share a thought with you. Here in Lagos, you have over 6 million registered voters. Only about 1 million vote. 5 million don't vote. If I want to run for governor of Lagos, I'll start now. I will commission a detailed study. Why are those 5 million not voting? Why do they go on election day? Okay? And I'll start visiting them for the next 4 years and try to get just 2 million of them to come out and vote for me. You defeat any godfather. The key is to go to the people. The card reader, the biometric register has given us the tools to connect directly with the people. I assure you, if you work flat out for the next 4 years, connecting with the people, you defeat any godfather. You retire him or her permanently.
How you go leave your state, Kaduna State, where you they govern as APC governor, or go another state where be say APC they govern? They go tell them how to remove their oga. Now to add salt to injury, instead of him to apologize when he knows saying don't perfume, instead of him to apologize, this was what he said with him full chest.
I made comments in Lagos about how to retire godfathers. It's a template that we have used in Kaduna. It has worked. If anybody thinks he's a godfather, the template may apply to me. But I'm not in dispute with anyone. And I express my views firmly and very clear. There is no human being that I'm afraid to express my views on. And when I'm ready to express my views specifically on a particularly named individual, I will do so. I have no recommendations for anyone. I'm just saying that if I'm asked a question and I give an answer, anyone that feels offended by the answer, this is all business. I have no apologies. I don't apologize for my views. My views are thought out and I put them there, and I don't have to explain anything to anyone. This is a democracy, and in a democratic space, there must be room for people to express their views.
Now ask me, anybody ask them any question for that first video? You left Lagos, you left Kaduna with your 2 left legs, go Lagos, go tell them how to retire their godfather. And you want the same man to put you inside his cabinet. Make him put you inside in cabinet, make you just retire him entirely. It's not possible now. This is why I fear elrufai inside that coalition, because elrufai with him two left leg go still sabotage that coalition. Bet me and see.